Hello, it's Ron from Ron Brown's YouTube channel, and we have something exciting for you today. This is the first flight test of the DJI Neo that you will see, on the internet. The very first one. Just joking here. I was the last man standing to get their DJI Neo. I ordered the day, hours after it was released. I ordered it way back in September. Just showed up today. I'm not good on ordering stuff or whatever, but it's finally here, and we're at the beach here. It's a little bit windy here, so we'll see how the thing does. It's a small drone. It may not perform in this wind, but we're going to try it out here. Today, I haven't done anything but charge the batteries to it. I haven't hooked up to the phone, haven't done any firmware updates, haven't, to a controller over. So this is, as Marcus Crawford would say, this is the very first flight. Again, we haven't done anything to it. It's just going to be flown as the selfie drone today. It's going to launch out of the palm of your hand. And, we're going to try the different functions it can do here. And that's about it today. We're just going to see if we can do the simple stuff. It is a selfie drone at heart here, so that's where we're going to start. So, have any questions or stuff, leave them down in the comments below. Now, again, any questions concerning anything with the selfie mode, I won't really have an answer for you because I haven't tried it with the controller. I haven't tried it with the FPV controllers, whatever, only as a selfie. I haven't even tried to hook up to the phone yet. So we will, maybe the next time we will get the phone out, do the firmware update, and yada, yada, yada. So I did watch, Jevin Dovey had a beginner's guide. I just saw the video that today was up this morning, maybe last night, and he showed me a couple things I'm going to try today. So hopefully that helps. To work our way through it here. Okay, to get started, we're going to hit the power buttons back here. We're going to hit the power button, just like any other DJI drone. I think one short press and one long press. Yep, and I see the propellers moving, the lights coming on, making a little sound here. I'm recording all the audio with my DJI mic too. I'm recording on the DJI Action 5 Pro here as the B-roll camera. Okay, now it's a red light blinking there. I don't know why that red light's blinking there, but there's green lights and so on. So I don't know why are we blinking there. Does this have to get satellites in? I didn't think this had satellites, but we'll wait a couple minutes here. Then maybe that red light will go away. I don't remember Jevin saying anything about the red light blinking, but maybe that's the 1 second I wasn't paying attention. I'll cut some of this part out as we wait till the red light to stop blinking and go away here. I'm kind of in some shade here, which maybe is good. Maybe if a whole bunch of exposure is hitting the the drone. Oh, and it's still blinking right here. I don't have any ND filters yet for it. I did talk to my contacts at Starter RC, and they're going to be shipping some ND filters for the drone next week. But and I forget whether I put my palm and launch facing away from me or facing me. I think it's facing me, so it can see me. That kind of does make sense there, right? So okay, let's try it here.
请先连接 DJI Fly app 激活飞机 Connect to DJI Fly to activate aircraft.
Guess what, folks? I can't fly it. I've got to connect the DJI Fly app to activate it. So, so much for the first flight here. I got to get the phone out and do the, do the activation. So, it was a good video, right? Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm sure you're gonna like this video or whatever. But we'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and activated it, on my phone and did the firmware update. The firmware number here is V01.00.03. I mean, not that. Let me do that all over again. I'm bad at reading numbers off. 01.00.0300. Optimize position performance and fix some known issues. I'm going to hit the OK button here. Okay, so now we should be ready to go here. It wants me to connect again. We're going to hit the connect. Okay, there, connection failed. We got to restart the aircraft. Aircraft is right down here on the table. I already showed you how to start the aircraft. Same short press, long press on the other DJI drones. If you've never flown a DJI drone, so it's that one short press and then one long press. That's the way you start almost every DJI drone. Okay, so now let's see, connection guide. See, it's a connection guide right down here. And then you pick the Neo. And then we're going to run it by a mobile phone. It's trying to connect. I want to join the networks. It's trying to connect. The drone's right here. It's telling me to choose a suitable environment. Flying open spaces, we're on the beach, it's pretty open. Avoid water, well, we're on the beach, but we're not near the ocean. Avoid drop-offs, observe local laws. We're in Class G airspace here. There's no temporary flight restrictions at all. And the town doesn't have any drone ordinances. Okay, your first flight. Take off, film and follow mode, land, and switch modes. Okay.
Point the camera at your face and press and hold the mode button to take off.
Okay, did you hear that? You get it like this. Hold on. I get it like this with the camera, facing my, face here. And then I hit the mode button.
Droney.
I don't know why it's not doing a droney. Take off, little thing.
Circle.
Okay, obviously I don't know how to make it take off. I know how to change the mode, but not take off. Press the mode button on the aircraft to confirm and start filming in follow mode. I don't know what that means. Skip. Yeah, I don't know what makes it start.
2 meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, it's in circle mode now. It's circling. Okay, I hope it doesn't hit the tripod. The wind's pushing it. Yeah, it doesn't look very good. And when you can hear that noise it's making too. Oops. Okay, we had our first disaster there. I held my palm out real steady, and it didn't land the palm. It landed in the sand. I should have took it to the beach. I don't know what happened. I did exactly like in the videos, and my palm, it couldn't find my palm. And now it's a red light blinking on it. Let me turn it off. I guess try to get some of this. Didn't get too much sand on, but try to get what sand did come off of it. I don't know what happened there. It didn't go like in the Jevon Dovey's beginner's guide. But yeah, I think it was too much wind out here for the little drone. It was I'm gonna get you the what the wind gusts are, but it must have been a little too windy for it to land on the palm. So probably again, everything comes down to user error, right? At least according to people on the internet. So I probably shouldn't have did it in so much wind. I should have maybe gone inside or something, or waited for a non-windy day, which is a lot of waiting here at the shore. But maybe I'll try it inside or whatever with no wind to contend with. Probably it'll do better. Okay, this time we're going to try to fly from the phone. You'll see the little drone in a minute here. Well, maybe I should aim it towards the little drone. This time we're just taking off the table. Look at the wind. Look at the wind getting a hold of that thing. We're gonna do a little follow here, but I don't think it's gonna end well. The wind's not good at all. See, like that, I don't have a screen recording, but it's got a green line on me. It's following me real good. But again, I don't trust it in this wind. We're gonna go up to the top of the dune here. Haha. I guess it's doing a little bit better now. Check my battery here. I got 83% left. Hello, little Neo. How's the video quality? We got a little sun here now. A breeze picked up. It says strong wind on the app here. See if you can follow me back. Can you hear that that wind noise? I better get it back. It was squawking high wind. You can see Lucy though. I don't understand everything on the screen here, but we're gonna try to walk up the steps over here, see how it fouls. We're kind of maybe out of the wind a little bit now. I'm on bare feet here trying to avoid a bunch of rocks. Okay, this is the first ever flight of the DJI Neo at Lucy the elephant. You saw Lucy a minute ago. Here you're gonna see Lucy come up the steps. There's Lucy. It's turning to follow me. It's doing good. See if it can navigate around here. Watching my battery here. All right, there we go. You can see old Lucy. Yep. I don't know how to move the camera around, but I see a land button here. Oh, I got voice control, but I'm stopping that. I don't want to do voice control. I see a land button here. See how it works. Land. Droney now. Uh-oh, it's going to hit the rail. We let it hit the rail and it kept on going. Will it come back like the other drones? It's going to hit the rail again on the comeback. That's going to land. Pretty good. It hit the rail and came back. I guess there's a way to make it go higher. I don't know. Aircraft pitch too large. That's because I'm holding it now.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, it's doing a circle now. I hope I'm recording audio here. Doing a circle. Doing a low circle. That's kind of neat, that low circle. Oh, I see. I can.
2, 1.
We're doing a rocket now. You rocket's one of those things that are in all the drones here. Again, I hope I'm recording audio on this thing. How about let's do the droney again with nothing in the way now.
1.
So far, I kind of like using the phone better than using the buttons there, but I'll get the hang of it. 5 seconds. I guess this goes to 10 seconds. Hey. Uh-oh, I think it's come back already. You don't get much of a droney. Okay, spotlight mode just kind of keeps you in the frame here. So in other words, the drone won't move, but I can walk all over the place. Yeah, you see? I can do anything I want and the drone stays where it is. Well, when it's not blowing sideways in the wind. But like I can come back to it now. I think we had this on 4K 30, so I'm going to come right up to it. But then, look. I'm going to try the forward. I can. It's faster than I am. Probably got my heart rate up there. Yes, that's spotlight mode. We're going to stop spotlight mode. Okay, now I'm using what they call the virtual sticks. I'm sorry I didn't do a screen recording here. I wasn't even recording before. Okay. So, okay, let's bring it forward to me. Okay, it comes forward. There it comes backwards. This is all with the virtual joysticks. Okay, let's move it a little. There we go. Oops. Let's go the other way. Left, right. So it's all backwards. Let's fly it sideways. Yeah, so if you've ever flown virtual joysticks before, these are, you know, your standard virtual joysticks. Nothing new here. Let's bring it forward. All right. Backwards again. How fast can you get going? I'm not seeing a meter thing here. Okay. We're down to about 30% battery life here. Back in the foul. Okay, I'm gonna get ready to land here. It's at 27%. I don't know when this thing's gonna force itself to land, so I'm gonna get back near the table. Hey, little Neo. We're almost back, huh? Alrighty. We're gonna stop it and make sure maybe we're on camera now. Alright, folks. We're gonna do a hand landing with the Neo.
Landing.
There we go. I got it down now. I don't know what went wrong the first time. Well, you know what? I've still never flown just with the drone, but using the camera, I'm using the phone, I'm pretty good. So let's get it. We're down to 21%. I don't know when it goes into landing mode, but we're gonna test that the first time out. Okay, I'm turning off, you know. Oh, you know what, folks? I forgot to put a memory card in the drone. We weren't recording anything. Gotcha. It has internal memory. I forget the amount of internal memory, but I'll put that in the video later on. But it recorded all of my videos, and I didn't take any photos. I forgot to. I always tell people, don't forget to take photos. I forgot to take the photos. But yeah, so it's all recorded internally. When we get home, we'll transfer it over to a computer or a phone or something. See how how that works, how fast the transfer speed is. So okay. That wraps up this part of the video at the beach here. We had, some success, some not success, but I think we're doing good now.